What's up, sdracing family, and welcome back to the channel. Today in the dyno we have a turbo 4-door Integra. This customer brought us his Integra after he did a turbo kit install. So it looks like it's I think Rev 9 is what the turbo kit is. I think it's one of those kits you kind of get off of eBay or Amazon. So yeah, they work, well enough. Not the best kits out there, but for somebody on a budget, they don't do half bad. So long as you don't use the fuel upgrades that come with them. They usually don't have. They usually have subpar fueling upgrades if they have that option. So he's got a set of Ditchworks injectors, and I forget what size fuel pump. I think it's a 255 liter per hour Walbro, but I think it's Ditchworks. They're 560s or 650s, I'm not sure which one. There's no boost control on the car, so right now we're just relegated to whatever the spring's going to give us, and we're not sure what that's going to be like today with the weather and ambient pressure conditions. We're tuning the car using a Hondata S300, and that's really it. So we're gonna get started here shortly, see what we can get out of it, and hopefully have some good results. A little leaner than we want on those first two pulls. Hopefully the fan noise doesn't get too much in the way here. Actually probably will. Turn the car off too. Alright, so first two pulls just a little leaner than we wanted to be ultimately. That's what the graph looks like. So I haven't really looked at boost pressure yet, but I know we're really low timing to start off with. It made 177 horse, 173 torque on that most recent pull. A little leaner than we want, so we're going to take a look at the log, make a change, let the car cool down, and do another pull here shortly. Alright, so looks like we lost a little power there. Was running a wee bit richer. Probably a little bit too much fuel for boost pressure. Car's only making about 8 pounds peak. I'm not sure what it's holding out the top. I haven't looked at the log yet because we just finished the pull. But here's what the graph looks like. So he doesn't have a boost control in the car, so we're kind of capped right now on boost pressure. So 8 pounds is what I made the last one. I'm not sure what I made on this one. Air-fuel ratio was a little bit richer than what I was looking for target-wise, but still trying to figure out why. We're going to have to figure out why we get such a power drop after it's about 6,500 RPM. So review the log, take a look at the air-fuel ratio trace, and see what's going on, and make the appropriate change and do another pull. Well, that pull was much better. Let me turn the fans off. Alright, and then when we made 186 horse, I believe. It was 187 horse, 174 torque. So let me get the graph back up here. That's what the graph looks like. So we're going to obviously let the car cool down, review the logs. Well, I think we're right close to target air-fuel ratio on that one from what I can see on the wideband. But of course, double check it. See how much more timing we can add to the car, let it cool down, make the changes, do another pull. So might touch 200, we'll see. Just depends on how much time the car will take before it just doesn't want to make any more power. So stick with us and we'll do another pull here shortly. not yield us any more gains. So we're going to remove the timing that we added to it, just compared to what we did on this one, the last one, and that'll be it. So 186 horsepower, 176 torque. I think we might have picked up a foot-pound or two of torque compared to the last one. I'll have to look, but definitely no more horsepower. Let me turn the fans off. So 186 horse is where we're topping out at. Did not like any more timing, didn't make any more power. The graph doesn't look any different from the previous one, so pull that timing back out of it. Just review and make sure everything's good and safe, and then send the customer on his way. So that's it for this one. Sometimes they're quick, sometimes they're not. This one happened to be a quick one. Got real close on our base map on what it wanted originally. So when you're able to make a good base map, tuning goes quick. So thank you all for stopping by the channel and watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please think about doing so. We hope you have a good one. We'll see you again soon.